Three kind of projects, implementations, rollout, support. Three kind of people, functional, technical basis. We are functional consultants. In S4HANA, ECC difference, technical. In S4HANA, ECC technical means ABAP only. But S4HANA technical, three kind of people. S4HANA admin, S4HANA technical, ABAP, and basis, Fiori developer. Two more technical consultants working for S4HANA projects.
Mm-hmm.
In ECC,
so one is what, like an ABAP basis, and what's the other one?
basis is always common, but technical is Fiori developer, S4HANA admin, and ABAP.
Mm-hmm. Fiori developer, basis, ABAP. Okay.
Fiori developer, base, ABAP, and S4HANA admin. Base is always common. ECC common, S4HANA common. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Two more developers working. Fiori developer. If require client some requirements, and S4HANA admin is common. S4HANA
Okay.
project.
Mm-hmm.
So three kind of projects, three kind of people working. Suppose maybe implementation or rollout or support. Your project is an implementation. You are going to the client place. So many people working. What are the people names? Client inside. You're a consultant, absolutely. But client side, so many people. End users.
Mm-hmm.
Finance end users. Maybe normally small organization maybe 4 to 5 people. With a big organization maybe 10 people, minimum 10 people.
End users.
So you are reporting to the project manager. Project manager declare the project. Hi Ajay, this project is going to complete 1 year. So project manager divided the days. Project preparation 3 months. Business blueprint 3 months. Realization 3 months. Final preparation 2 months. And master data upload 15 days. You need to give to training to the users 15 days. Totally your project is 1 year.
Mm-hmm.
There is no option. Compulsory all the people, FI, Simple Finance, SD, PP, PM, EWM, ABAPS, as per the task completed as early as possible based on the client requirements. So project preparation 3 months, maybe 63 working days approximately.
Mm-hmm.
21 working days in a month, 63. Your project is 10 months means maybe project preparation 2.5 months. Your project is 1 year means 3 months. Where you correctly tell compulsory this time? Yes, any implementation project nowadays or previous also minimum 1 year, because 5 stages. Each stage it will take 3 months to 2.5 months time.
Mm-hmm.
Fine. Days decided first day. First day only you drop a mail to your finance users. Maybe project manager give the users names. You drop a mail to the users. Ram, Raj, Peter, Abhijit, maybe Ranjit, whatever users name. Two users name mail IDs. CC to project manager. You can mention in the description SAP Simple Finance workshops. So, hi guys, kindly attend the workshops today and onwards. Maybe users, client will provide separate cabin for you. Finance separate, separate, PP separate, all guys separate rooms. Maybe you drop a mail, users will come into the meeting, maybe today, 8:30 or 9 o'clock sharply. You can ask, what is your comfortable time every day? Because your company maybe right now, maybe HSBC Bank, maybe Bank of America, Deutsche Bank, whatever client name. Maybe I am going to create Bank of America, suppose, implementation now. Your client is Bank of America, you can ask. Right now your Bank of America client may be Oracle system. They give the support users, correct? Right now. Now their implementation start, they wanted SAP implementation. So they spend only users for only 2-3 hours only. Reason? Any specific reason?
Well, they have no bandwidth, they have...
Because they give the current system support also, Oracle. So many issues daily, Oracle support. Meanwhile, they're spending time morning, maybe 9 to 12 o'clock. They're spending SAP. So they attend the meeting, your meeting 9 o'clock today, sharply. You can ask, what is your comfortable time? Maybe they tell 9 to 12 o'clock. So you can start project preparation. Project preparation, first stage of the implementation project. You are going to anywhere in the world, SAP, Simple Finance Consultant, first stage project preparation. Project preparation, two methods, as is analysis, to be analysis.
Mm-hmm.
As is analysis, what there in the SAP, how to convert to the SAP system to be analysis. As is analysis means right now your Oracle system in financial side, what is there? The business process, GL side, customer side, vendor side, bank, controlling part, cash management, product costing. Any broadcasting, they will implement the broadcasting. All our steps, the migration activities, they will explain the process. No need to ask any questions in the project preparation time because they explain the process, note down. After that, what is the next step? I will explain already first session. What is the next step? What they explain the meeting every day, note down the notebook. After that, you need to prepare minutes of meeting.
Mm-hmm.
You know the minutes of meeting, correct? Already explained.
Yeah, you did.
So every day you need to prepare minutes of meeting. That day only you send to the users. Users verified. Yes, confirmed. This point discussed today. Fine. Every day you need to do like that. Maybe project preparation as is analysis 1 week time over. Next week onwards start to be analysis. To be analysis means as I said, simple finance consultant. First component GL accounting, general ledger accounting.
Mm-hmm.
What is your company name? You can ask. User will tell, my company name is Bank of America, BA, Bank of BOA. My company name is BOA LLC Corporations, US.
Mm-hmm.
How to create in the configuration in the GL side, Bank of America company. But these are all things called black buttons. What is the black buttons names?
I
See
don't know.
the black button. The black buttons.
What is black button?
Navigation path. Navigation path.
Okay.
These are all black buttons. Suppose you know the transaction codes. You know little bit SAP, correct?
Right.
Each transaction code you cannot keep in mind, correct? Very difficult. Each one.
Right.
So how to get transaction code inside system only? See here, additional information, display key, IMG activity. So I'm going to
Okay.
start now company creation. Where it is created company, enterprise structure,
Mm-hmm.
definition, financial accounting, define. What is the company code, transaction code? See here, last 4 digits, OX15.
Mm-hmm.
See last 4 digits. Like that you will get all, no need to keep in mind all the more than 500 transaction codes in SAP Simple Finance. Very difficult, more than 200, 300 transaction codes. Very difficult. How to get additional information? See here, additional information, display key, IMG.
Mm-hmm.
In the SPRO, easy access, how to get the transaction code? See here, you know the easy access screen. What is the easy? This is what is your screen? User level screen.
Yeah. Right. In a user's
So accounting,
screen. Mm-hmm.
financial accounting, general ledger, master records, GL accounts, individual processing. Where is the transaction code centrally? What is the GL transaction code? GL master transaction code? Any idea?
FS00, I think. Yeah.
Where is the transaction code? How it will get? Extras, settings, display technical names.
Mm-hmm.
Enter. You go and check here accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, master records, GL accounts, individual processing,
Mm.
any transaction code, extras,
Okay.
settings, display technical names. In
Mm-hmm.
SPRO, additional information, display key, IMG activity. like that.
Mhm.
This is user level screen. SPRO is the consultant level screen. Clear?
Mhm.
Now a simple finance consultant. First day you can ask, what is your to be analysis start today? Maybe next month you are going to project start Bank of America implementation for simple finance. So how to create company code? Enterprise structure, definition,
Mhm.
financial accounting, define company.
Right.
How to create company? Go to new entries. My company code is maybe BOA, Bank of America.
Mhm.
Bank of America. Maybe street name, maybe some Raj Street.
Mhm.
Post box maybe 234556. Postal code maybe 23456. City maybe New York.
Mhm.
Country US. You are on US project US. Canada Canada. Language English. Why your language enter where? You are in your Germany project English. Language is DE.
Right. Right. Yeah.
You're in English.
Deutsche.
Currency
Yeah.
US dollar. You're in Canada, Canadian dollars. UK,
Right.
GBP. Singapore,
Right.
SG. We won't knows
Mm.
which project which one. You're sitting in the US. Maybe you have so many clients in different places. Company, what is
Right.
the meaning of the company? What is the meaning of the company? Company is the internal trading partner. Any business will start one company name. My company name is ESF Soft IT. ESF Soft IT. So company under so many company codes, that is different letter. So who will give this information? I will mention some approximate address. Who will give this information in the project place? End
End
user.
user. Right.
Project preparation time, bring the notebook. To be analysis start today. They will provide, note down. Company name BOA. This is the address. This is the phone number. Everything note down. Then save. After that, what is the next step? Any idea?
The company code. Creating company code.
Create request. See here.
Oh, okay.
Create create request. Define company. Company. Save. This is save button. So open to one Excel sheet. Project place also you are doing like that. BOA Bank of America implementation transport request number sheet.
Mm-hmm.
Client is Bank of America. So first content sheet I will mention here. Rename GL. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So go to SAP screen, copy this number, copy, select, Control C, open to your Excel sheet, Control V, again go to SAP, copy, Control C, Control V. Go to save as a desktop this Excel sheet, desktop, BOA, TRN, IMP sheet. Same
Mm-hmm.
thing you need to do like that.
But
Save.
I got a question. I got a question.
Hmm.
This is for 2B, right? For as it is for as that as is analysis. So who do we talk to get all the information?
As is analysis means end users providing the business process, you can note down the notebook only. You are not asking any questions.
Mm-hmm.
You don't know the Bank of America business process, na? Correct?
Okay. So
End
you have
users
to understand the
providing,
structure,
yeah.
but you have to ask the question, right? What kind of a landscape you
To be
have, and
analysis
what.
you need to raise the questions. To be analysis time. As is analysis time, okay, you can ask the questions, but you are not implement anything.
Yeah,
Based
but
on the as-is analysis business process, how to convert to the SAP system, that is called to be analysis.
Yeah, to be is it how to convert, but as is you have to find out, right? The current landscape. What exactly Bank of America
You
is
can ask,
doing.
what is your company name? You can ask. They tell Bank of America in the Oracle system. Same company you
Okay.
want? Yes, same company I want SAP. You can take Bank of America. First point I will
Okay.
explain. Step by step I will
Mm.
explain. Don't worry. First company, think about company. Because
Mm.
after 20 days, you have 5 years SAP experience, Simple Finance 2 years, maybe Simple Finance 1 project, FICO 4 projects. So that kind of confidence you want to give the client means each and every point what purpose we are doing you must learn. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
first company name is Bank of America. Done.
Mm.
Enter. Back. This is Bank of. You can double click. This is the thing. Company always warm anywhere in the world. Correct?
Oh, right.
Hmm. And next point, see here, company code. You can ask how many company codes you want. Bank of America users will tell, I have Ajay, we have 4 to 5 company codes is there, but in SAP system not required for me. Maybe I want only 2 company codes only. You can take out, that's all.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Ajay, I have 2 company codes Oracle system, Ajay. Maybe I want only SAP system because of the reporting point of view, multiplies, manipulated all the things in single company code. I want to only one company code, 1 to 1. One company under one company code, maybe one company under 2 company codes, one company under number of based on the client requirement. You can
Mm-hmm.
discussions going on, definitely will going on. Because when I'm explaining the point company 10 minutes close, but project place it will take 1 hour time, maybe 2 hours time. First 2 3 days to be analysis it will take time because they are not trusted you. They are not trusted not you. They are not trusted SAP. Mistakes,
Mm-hmm.
clearing, feeling happen because they're newly in the SAP system. Correct?
Mm-hmm. Right.
Problem will happen totally in soup project. Correct or not?
Right. They refuse to
Client will
change.
want. Client will want. Total companies depends on software only. Already smoothly
Mm.
going on Oracle system. Why you go to complicated in SAP not working perfectly? Correct?
Yeah. And they have to learn everything from the scratch.
They are asking so many questions to you. You need to answerable. That is the reason. Any SAP consultant, you have some functional knowledge required. That is the reason only.
Mm-hmm.
Because users don't know SAP, but they know functionality in the business process, finance process. Correct?
Mm. Right.
Hmm. You need to answerable project place. When I am explaining 10 minutes job, when I go to project place, it will take 3 hours job also. There so
Mm.
many discussions happen because your
Mm-hmm.
implementation time 3 months, totally you're in meetings only, totally in meetings, 8 hours meetings, always meetings.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
double click company code, double click company code data, go to new entries. My company code is BO1. Maybe client wanted to 2 company codes BO1, BO2, BO3 like that. What is the
Mm-hmm.
purpose of 2 3 company codes, Ajay?
Yeah. For the reporting purpose, the profit and loss.
Financial statement point.
Right.
Correct?
Right. Right.
Balance sheet and P&L account. Maybe I have
Right.
New York company code, New Jersey company code. New Jersey is loss is going on. They are not keep on continuing. Correct?
Right.
Reporting point of view. USD, English, US dollar, save. When you say system asking address,
Right.
who will give the address? End user.
End user. Yeah.
Requirement gathering time, what they are providing the information, you need to mention. Street name, some Raj Street, maybe house number, company code maybe 123, postal code maybe which are the New York postal code we can mention. Exact thing.
Okay,
See,
okay. So companies in US, but if they want to create company code in Germany, so we have to put in like currencies, euro,
no, no,
languages.
what is saying? Company
No, no,
code, company under company code US only, not Germany. Not Germany.
no, no.
100%.
But the thing, no. But the thing is, companies in US, but they want to create company code in
Hmm.
Germany.
Hmm. Compulsory,
Okay,
yeah, US company code also there, na? Without US company code, Germany is not there. Compulsory, one company under one company code, compulsory in particular country.
so if the company is in US, definitely there has to be one company code in US as well.
Definitely, definitely. How to see the balance sheet? Without seeing balance sheet, what is the purpose of company code in Germany? Correct?
Yeah, but they want to have
Company code is
company
the
code.
ultimate goal. Company code ultimate goal. You want to see the financial statement. Correct?
Right. But you
You
want
don't
to
have
see
a
only
company code in the US. US, you don't have a company code in the US. Why you are maintained to the US in company name? US dollar. You can maintain Germany only, no? Correct?
okay, okay.
Compulsory, we
So
have one company and one is to one compulsory.
okay, so there has to be one company code in US as well before we create other
One,
one in Germany.
1 is to 1 or 1 is to n. One company under many company codes, one company code under one company code. Maybe you are in US one. Germany means that is not implementation, that is later rollout project.
Mm,
What my
mm,
point?
mm. Right, right.
Hmm. This is the fundamental things. When you raise the question, you know must knowledge in the particular point. User very smart guys in the SAP
Right.
world. Reason, they know in and out. They have more than you and me experience. Reason, when I'm implementation Sony project in 2009,
Hmm.
users have 15 years of experience. I don't have that time. I have only 4 to 5 years experience. Reason, they don't know SAP. They have finance experience 15 years. They know in
Yeah,
and out financial side.
yeah. Right, right. They do.
Because you're asking to me, project place user will asking so many questions. You need to clarify that points.
Hmm.
Because you're a consultant, you're not a user, correct?
Right, right. Exactly. Yeah, should be able to answer.
That is the reason when you practice time, each and every point you need to read compulsory. Theoretical part.
Mm-hmm.
Initial time you need to read.
Mm.
Any phone number. User will provide phone number, maybe any phone number. Um, so any fax number in the particular company code, you need to enter fax number. Email. Who will sitting in the company code place? Maybe Raz at the rate of BOA.com, bankofamerica.com. You need to
Mm-hmm.
give all the information. Client place, end user providing to you. Requirement gathering time, note down the notebook. After that, you need to prepare it. In
Mm-hmm.
submitting, first 3 months you can do all the points. Next fourth, fifth, sixth month you need to prepare what is the meaning of the company code, what is the meaning of the company. You need to prepare 3 to 4 lines. I will how
Mm-hmm.
to prepare. I will tell you that one.
Okay.
So, what is the next step?
Yeah, the one the request, the create request.
Create request. Define company code. But one important point here, when I each point I configure new transport request number. But some clients, some projects, people are doing maybe enterprise structure one transport request number. Like that also they can do. Save all transport request number. One configuration, all the configuration same single transport request number. But that is not a
Mm-hmm.
best practice. This is the best practice. Reason
Mm-hmm.
is your implementation is over. Support is going on. Some error will happen. Where it is located error, you can easily identify.
Yeah.
This is the best practice. And the second important one I'm asking to you, what is the purpose of maintaining this Excel sheet? Ajay?
To give it to basis team, to transfer
Okay.
for for migration.
Okay, after that,
To troubleshoot, if there is any problem or anything.
basis consultant, once you forward to this Excel sheet entire configuration in the simple finance side, this Excel sheet forward to the basis consultant, FI, simple finance, SD, all the modules, basic, ABAP, all transport request numbers, maintain on one folder in the basis guide. He will arrange one meeting, client internal meeting, your consultants. He will raise the question in the meeting time. Hi guys, any issues in the transport request number side in the configuration? Let me know. Maybe you will discuss to the basis guy any issues, any errors, anything. Yeah, all the guys. Maybe there is no issues at all. Suppose. So project manager they give the approval. All the team members sending mail to the project manager to basis. To all your consultants, CC to basis guy. To basis guy, CC to all consultants. Transport request number move to development to quality server. These are all transport request number move to development to quality server. This is one important point. One more important point before that. What is your system landscape, Ajay?
What is it?
System landscape.
System landscape is how many servers you have. The QA and UAT, development server,
quality, production, correct?
Yeah, and sandbox.
Development, please, development, sequence, quality, production.
Right.
But maybe 5% cases, clients have one more server, sandbox or golden client.
Golden client.
That time what will do? First you need to do the configuration in the sandbox or golden client. Same Excel sheet you need to maintain. That forward to basis. Basis team will transfer to sandbox to development. Development to quality. Quality to production. What is the purpose of both servers? Some clients they have maintained development, quality, production, same kind of configuration. When you have 3 servers, development, so many unnecessary things, but 4 servers, we don't have any unnecessary thing. We have only unnecessary things in the sandbox. Got my point?
Right.
This is very fundamental basic point. User will asking to you. Basis consultant raise the questions for you in the project place in the meetings. You need to answer to this point. So, 2 things done. These are all transport configuration will done. All transport request number which server? All transport request number stored in the which transaction?
On sandbox.
All transport request numbers stored in which transaction code? SC10.
Oh yeah, SC10.
SC10. See here, I am creating here. Go and check. 398 and 400. See here. What will do basis consultant? Select. See here. Release directly. Development to quality.
Okay.
Release one server to another server. You don't have authorization. Basis consultant.
Okay. Only basis consultant do that. Okay. Only basis consultant will do that.
You don't have authorization. Yes, he will take care. Responsibility is your maintain to Excel sheet and forward to basis. He will take the remaining part. Okay, this is SC10. Clear point?
Okay.
We are all do the configuration in this point. Enterprise structure. Which transaction code stored?
SC10.
EC01.
What is EC01? What?
Enterprise structure stored in transaction code. Go to structure, go to navigation, enter. What is your company code? BO1, correct?
BO1, yeah.
Is coming automatically here, BO1, Bank of America. You can click here, Bank of America. Once assignment, company code assignment, all assignments will come in, everything will come to the hierarchy, step by step hierarchy. What is the enterprise structure stored? Transaction code? EC01.
EC0.
What is the transport request number stored transaction code?
SC10.
What is the system landscape?
The five servers. What are they like? Four. Sandbox, development, quality, and production.
Sometimes, not sometimes, 90% three servers, development, quality, production. Because you are going to the project experienced guy 4 years. This is the fundamental things. Interviewer asking the questions. Suppose interviewer asking the question, what is the transport request number stored, which transaction code? I am not answerable means I don't have any single day experience. Fundamental things. These are all.
Okay.
Configuration anybody can do, but these are all things people don't know. Not project guys. Project guys knows. What my point?
Yeah.
This is the most important point. Because you need to face the interview, interviewer asking for these things.
Oh yeah, of course they do.
When you start interview, I'm taking interview panel in IBM previous working. I start interview. Okay, fine. How many years I have experience? Oh, 10 years finance, 3 years SAP, 4 years, 1 year simple finance. Okay, fine. Okay, projects. This is the project. What is system landscape? People are out. Configuration. I know that people are saying in the training time, out first day. First point out. Okay, fine. Second point. What is your transport request number stored in which transaction code? Transport request number. Okay. Second point nullified. Okay. They will ask another 3 to 4. Okay, we'll get back to you. Simple. They decided immediately. They don't have fake experience like that. Simple. I know. I was in interview panel.
Okay.
Loopholes is there. Interviewers knows. Your experienced guy definitely these points all knows. Even one project experience also you knows. Your people are mentioned profile, years profiles, 9 years, 5 years, 4 years, nothing. Correct?
Right.
That is the difference. Okay. So my company is created. Company code is created. I created only one company code. Maybe next month you are going to project in maybe HSBC Bank US. Maybe different Scotland branch. Maybe 3 company codes. You need to create one by one. BON, BO2, BO3 like that. Always client requirement. Not we are not decided in the project place. In this place. The company code now controlling area, credit controlling. What is the credit control area? Credit limits for customers. Each company has credit limits for customers. Credit limits for customers. So you need to ask how many credit controllers you want. Maybe user will tell I need one credit control area. We have customers, all the customers single credit controller. Reason is we are creating single reconciliation account, correct?
Right.
When you create a customer account, we have 1,000 customers, Bank of America, you create only one reconciliation account. 1,000 or 2,000 or 5,000. And vendor reconciliation account only one. We have 5,000 vendors also. Because reconciliation account is alternative GL account, correct?
Right.
We control all the customers and vendors. So same kind of credit limits for customers. We have only one credit control area, maybe BOA, currency US dollar. Update year. This is normally not your point 00018 means sales order updation. See here, open delivery value for sales order, open value. Sales orders who will create it? SD consultant. Enquiry, quotation, sales order, billing. Purchase, material master, vendor master, purchase info record, purchase requisition, purchase order. FI, GL masters, GL postings, customers, vendors creations, customer invoice, vendor invoice. Customer invoice goes to the SD, vendor invoice goes to the MM. Customer invoice goes to the sales order, vendor invoice goes to the purchase order. This is purely linked to the FI, MM, SD. What is the responsibility of FI? GL postings, vendor invoice, customer invoice. Clear?
Right.
Say.
Can you say again what is credit control area for?
Credit limit for customers. Customers limit. When you do the posting, this customer has $10,000 only. Users
It's
have
for
some limits.
Oh, okay, credit control area is kind of customer limits.
Yes.
So usually it's only one.
Yes. When you do the vendors, customers tolerance limit, that time you need to mention how much limit. Maybe I have postings only $1 lakh. Correct?
Right.
Then up to 1 lakh only we need to post it. Correct?
Right.
Company code, credit control area. See here, business area. What is the purpose of business area? Maybe
Business area.
you ask to the Bank of America users, maybe we have 3 business area. What is the business area useful?
Say that again, business area.
What is the purpose of business area?
The segregation of duties. Business area, like one is
Loans department, fixed
sorry,
deposit department, correct?
department.
Loans department, fixed deposit department, correct?
Right.
Credit cards department, different business areas, correct?
Yeah.
Each
Right.
business area profit or loss, they will decide it, correct?
Right.
I am going to create one business area normally. Business area BA cash department, Bank of America. Just live project how it will do, I am explaining. Same, once session is completed, when you are free, you need to create another project. That's all. Practically think always. Don't see the configuration and practice. Think always practically. You are not a practice student. You are going to the project. How it will do the project. That is important. Just when you practice memorable, what is the purpose? Business area, I created here one. Client wanted 3. What purpose? What purpose business area required? We want to see the financial statement, loans, how much profit or loss, fixed deposits, profit or loss. Correct?
Right.
Now understand what is the difference between project-based training and normal training. This is the difference.
What is a project base?
Project-based training and normal training. Normal training you can do the configuration only. How it will do project, no one explained.
Right. Project training training includes more business analysis.
You don't have any live experience also. I am explaining Bank of America one project. You practice another one client. So 2 years. So live project, same thing.
Okay.
Project plus also same thing. That's all. What is make difference? 1 year or 10 years, nothing. You know each and every point. You have 10 years experience. That's all. People are mentioned like that experience only. Yes. People are saying I have 15 years, nothing. No, don't have nothing. 15 years. I sure 100%. They do 1 or 2 projects perfectly. That's all. What are other experience they mentioned SAP? That's all. They go to project level, project manager. Because second thing, Vera, I don't have an experience, Vera. You saying maybe project manager, people are doing like that. IBM, Accenture, all so many project managers, this thing only. Reason is their smartness, communication skills, sending mails, handling the customer. That's all. In meetings, they're talking more. That's all. When you talk about the technical side, nothing. Only Indians only eligible. 100% technical experience. Correct?
Right, exactly.
After 10 days, you start the prepare resume. I will give one SAP Simple Finance resume with FACO.
Okay.
Just before going only shoot the resume, that's all. Daily you spend 1 hour here, you practice 2 hours, read document 1 hour, 1 hour practice, that's all. 3 hours remaining you have personal life. Nothing, don't much spend more. 3 hours enough, I tell you.
Okay. Yeah.
You can do like that up to this month and you are expert in simple finance. Challenge. I will give guarantee.
Okay, that's going to be helpful.
Company code, business area, trade control area, functional area. What is the difference between functional area and business area? Functional area
Okay,
means sales department, administration department, manufacturing department. That is functions, correct?
right.
Sales is the most important thing. Your lead, how it will come? Through Sulekha. That is called sales department. Sulekha is the sales. Because they will get the revenue generation, I will get revenue generation because of the marketing. Correct?
Right.
Without Sulekha, how it will get my lead? No, nothing. Correct?
Right.
I will provide Sulekha $50 for your lead. I will spend lead $50. $50 to $30 I will spend you. Sulekha generated 200 to 300 leads every day. They will earn money $5,000 per day. New York.
Wow.
Huge money.
That's
Not only SAP, Oracle, IBM, so many technologies, not only SAP, correct?
right. Right.
5 to 10 technologies look like SAP kind of things. SAP, Oracle, Java, .NET. Total entire world, entire 52 places US. Entire 52 places, New York, California, Los Angeles. Every day 200. Each consultant spent $30 million. Marketing, based on the marketing, that is called business. Sales business, administration, finance department, like that. That is called.
Mm.
Anybody ask when you go to client place, what is the difference between business area and functional area? What is the difference?
Yeah, business area is more like a business oriented that generates revenue and everything. The functional area is within the company there are
That is not correct answer. Business area is what have the functional area contents. Each content have revenue generated for financial statement. Correct?
so that's a business area.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Business area is nothing but business area under hierarchy is the functional area.
Okay. Under business area we have functional area.
Yes. Administration, how much revenue or is profit, loss.
Okay.
Manufacturing, finance, marketing,
Right.
different, like that is called functions. Maybe Bank of America, revenue. I will put it in only one because trainer will explain one scenario, two scenarios. You have
Right.
required number of business area, number of functional area, number of two
Mm.
company codes you can create like that.
Mm.
First time you practice single company code. Second time you practice two company codes. Third time you need to create three. Enough. Stop.
Right.
No need.
Right.
Because project place no one not see your configuration either you see the document or not. Because once you know the configuration, second time you know, third time you have already documented. What we have, when you practice second time, what will happen? And I will tell the techniques, project place.
Mm. Hmm. But in the functional area, we have to specify also, right? What business area that functional area belongs to.
But client wanted to 3-4 functionals, functional area. That is, see, BOR means Bank of America revenue functional area, means total.
Hmm.
Because you need to create administration one functional area, finance one, marketing one. You need to create number of sales one, sales department.
Mm-hmm.
Always client requirement. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Right.
See here, first time I'm explaining, fine. You practice start tomorrow or today, this okay. Second time when you practice, what will do? enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. You take screenshot.
Mm-hmm.
You take this screenshot. You go to Google, download Snagit or screenshot pre-downloaded, put it in the desktop, take screenshot, put it in the MS Word. All our configuration you need to copy it like that. What will happen? Project place, any client go to, you copied your desktop. When you start practicing the project place, you see and configure, that's all.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have single day experience also, it's not an issue, correct?
Right.
Client never seen your desktop, correct? You are not a student.
That's so true.
Only
Yeah.
one I'm explaining one time, 2 times you need to practice, stop. No need to practice anything, enough. Then you read the document. Because whenever read more, you need to explain to the client implementation or rollout project. But support you are not explain much. When an issue come, you need to solve. How to solve, I will explain last session.
Mm-hmm.
Clear?
Okay.
This is called project-based training. Now understand?
Yeah, and I do.
So much difference, sir. People are so many 2 times joined my side. Consolidation business area, no, not implemented consolidation. Maybe 10 company codes, 15 company codes, measuring consolidation. Consolidation, separate implementation. Nowadays, no one not implemented consolidation. One company under maybe 2, 3, 4 company codes only. No one not implemented consolidation. This point not require project place. Now FM area. What is FM area? Financial management area.
Mm-hmm.
Your company, Bank of America, have budgeting control system, funds, cash management implementation. Compulsory one financial management area required. You need to create one financial management area. How to create? Bank of America, FM.
So what
Bank
is
of
functional area, management area?
Financial management area. You have budgetary control system, cash management, standard actuals. You know the financial activities, correct?
Right.
Budget year ending chartered financial or chartered accountants, we do this company is move to net profit or loss budgeting, how much profit will feature, they give the advisors, financial advisors, correct?
Right. Okay.
In the company have cash management, definitely previous FICO we don't have any cash management, they require the input, but simple finance compulsory cash management required. I will do the cash management configuration also. So that is the reason we need to create Bank of America
Cash management or
financial management
financial.
area.
Okay.
Currency USD. You are in Canada CAD. You are in Singapore SGD. You are in GBP UK. Okay. Segment. What is segment? Nothing but business area. Segment wise profit and loss account. Segment wise. Segment. We need to create. See here. Suppose LG washing machine, refrigerators, conditioners. See here. So Bank of America. What is the segments?
Yeah. No, loan area or
That's all. Now we can come to the point. Bank of America loan segment.
So in that case, why do we have to have segment? Already we have business area, right?
Business area, but previous old version segment business average profit and loss account. Now segment wise, whenever the EC6 EHP7 version, previous business area wise. Now segment wise. Normally segment who will create it? Normally previous CO consultant. That's why not
Okay.
FI consultant. In this place now, simple finance will consultant will create a segment.
Simple finance needs segment because simple finance also need a business area. So why it's again a repetition,
No.
right?
Business average profit and loss account segment wise profit. Anyone can do either business area or segment wise. Got my point?
But why do we have to have two?
Option, I tell you option, either business area, option, segment. Your client
Oh,
wanted
okay.
segment, you can go ahead. If your client wanted business area, you just go ahead. Got my point?
Okay.
Global,
But we have
you,
but we have to configure both business area and segment area.
we can use only one. You can take business area as well as profit and loss account if you want to see. You can segment wise,
Okay.
segment wise only. Segment wise,
Okay.
we don't have any separate configuration. Business area, we don't have. Only created, only creation only.
Hmm.
Otherwise, I'm not created. This is leave it option. But I'm explaining globally. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
got my point. I'm explaining not
Yeah. Yeah.
only particular client, global. Because when you create the profit center, system asking segment, that time you need to enter segment, not business area. Got my point?
Oh, okay.
But next point I'm explaining when you basic setting explain time, I explain to you that point. What is that
Okay.
point? Profit center. See here, profit center. When I'm explaining basic settings in the CO, that time I will come into this point. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
This is the things you need to practice. Tomorrow onwards, I will take more also. Okay.
Okay.
I will plan your session separately. I will make it to close it as early as possible. I will take more configuration points. You need to start practice first. Stabilize today.
Okay. So to create all
Tomorrow
those things.
I'll explain maybe 15 to 20 points tomorrow onwards.
Okay.
I will complete
Okay.
it
Good.
at least this month and try to complete.
Okay.
Meanwhile, 20th onwards, you start the resume preparation. Before
Okay.
completion of the ready to resume. Okay, I will
Okay.
give you questions and answers. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
I will certification material also. Yesterday I will bring certification material. See, this is the
Okay.
certificate. Uh, see here. This is the simple finance certification material, latest version. I will
Okay.
give this one also. Okay.
Okay. Okay. That will help.
I
Yeah.
will give all the document. Don't worry. You need to purchase any
Okay.
books. Clear cut
Okay.
document. I will entire documentation.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, every 2 3 days once I will send documentation. Before completion of the sections, you received all the documentation.
Okay.
Okay,
That will
this is
help.
the
Yeah.
structure of my training. After 30 minutes, I am going to forward this recording and this Excel sheet.
Okay.
I will send one
Sounds good.
document also. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Thank
okay.
you.
See you tomorrow.